Hello, lovies. Welcome to my channel. I'm Gina. For those of you who are here for the first time, for those of you who are coming back again to see me, thank you. I appreciate it. So, you've probably been seeing mushrooms everywhere in home decor and wondering what's up with that. So, anyway, during the lockdown, people were locked in their homes, obviously, and they were creating these beautiful bedrooms, and they were experimenting with what is called weird decor. And one of the things is mushrooms. People were experimenting with mushrooms. That sounds funny. Maybe they were doing mushrooms. But anyway, that's where it came from. And I wanted to make a mushroom decor for an ornament for my tree because every year I either make an ornament or I buy an ornament that has something to do with that year. And since mushrooms is the big thing this year, I figured I'll make a mushroom ornament. But I didn't want to make one of those ornaments that I see everywhere. They're just like little wooden painted ornaments. I wanted to try to make something different. So I use Temu products, but you can buy all of this stuff on Amazon. Temu will take you 2 weeks to get it. Amazon, you'll have it on your doorstep tomorrow morning. Sometimes the same day. Anyway, so let's get started and let me show you what I made to hang on my tree this year. So I started off with a couple of wood slices and this little mold that I got from Temu of 3 little mushrooms. So first I just put some cornstarch in the mold, and then I'm going to put my air dry clay in. Look how cute this mushroom is. And now I'm just going to cut off the extra clay around the edges. Now I'm going to take my Type Bond wood glue and I'm going to glue these mushrooms onto the wood slices. And then after they dry, I'm going to paint them and I'm going to use some jewelry glitter that I have. Now it's the next day and they are dry, and I'm taking my gold paint and I'm painting these in gold, and I'm taking different color glitter. I've never used this jewelry glitter before. It's very pretty and it's not fine glitter. It's a little bit chunky and I love it. So while the paint is wet, I'm going to sprinkle the top of each mushroom with a different color glitter. I had to put on 3 coats of this gold paint to get it to the color that I liked. Now I'm just adding a little bit of brown paint along the edge of the wood slice to give it a nice little shimmery touch. Now I'm adding some Spanish moss. I'm just going to glue that on. Now I'm just giving it a little bit of a haircut so the Spanish moss doesn't look so wild. Now I'm just going to make some beautiful shiny champagne colored bows from this pretty ribbon that I got. I did get this ribbon from Amazon, but Temu does have this ribbon as well. And I'm just going to glue this to the top of each wooden disc, and I'm going to make a little hanger on the top from some twine. I have some, I couldn't find my like neutral color twine. I don't know where. I have so much of it I couldn't find it. So anyway, I used yellow, yellow and white stripe, but it still looks cute. So this is getting glued on. Now I'm just making the hanger part. I just doubled the twine because it was a little thin. I'm just making a little knot in it, a loop with a knot, and I'm going to glue the knot to the top of the wood slice. And that's what I'm going to use to hang them on the tree. I'm using the amazing Fabri-Tac glue, which is my go-to glue, my favorite glue. I think it is the best glue for everything I do. Anyway, so here we go. I'm just gluing the knot part on there. I'm going to just hold it there for a few seconds until it takes. I'm going to glue the champagne bow here, and then I'm going to embellish the bow. I have a lot of these rhinestone brooches in my stash. I use them a lot, especially for my tree ornaments that I make. I always embellish them because I like lots of sparkle on my tree. I'm just breaking off the pin side on the back of it. I mean, it's so easy. You could use your hands, a scissor. I didn't grab my wire cutters, and I didn't want to pause the video to go get them, so I figured I can do this by hand. Okay, so I'm going to glob on some Fabri-Tac glue onto the back of this. I'm going to push it onto the center of my bow. I'm going to hold it there for a few seconds. These came out so beautiful, so much prettier than I even imagined. I cannot wait for you to see the end. So, enjoy the final results. If you're enjoying this video and you'd like to see me do more of these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the final results. Let me know if you like the ornament, do you like the style, and also I'd love to hear what you think about this mushroom decor that's everywhere. Thanks for watching.